Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the CoinTales game. So let's get started right away. Now open up the CoinTales game first, and if you have already completed the tutorial level and set up your username within the game, then you will gain access to the settings menu. Once you gain access to the settings page, you can simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and this will open up the settings menu. From this page, you will find the language option right away. Just tap on the language option and you will see the various languages that are available for the game. Just tap on whichever language you wish to use, and once you tap on it, you can close the language menu and this will immediately apply all of your language options to your game right away. You can come back to this menu at any point of time and then choose your language as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how you can change your language on the CoinTales game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.